Start off by clearing your work area. Work with one lock at a time, pushing all other locks to the side. Your non dominant hand is going to support and extend the lock using your thumb, pointer finger, middle finger. Your dominant hand is going to hold the interlock locking tool, opening face down, glide along the scalp up at an angle, bring the lock towards the front of that opening, lock it into place with your pointer finger, and pull the lock out. And it repeats. Opening face down, glide along the scalp, bring the lock in front, lock it into place, pull it out. Now, if the individual has long locks or sensitivity, you can form a loop. So as you get ready to pull in that lock, look and see where the loop is. The loop is on the middle finger of the non-dominant hand. It just takes some of the pressure away that the client may feel.